Hello everyone, it's Dhruv Bhutani from PhoneArena.com and we're here at the Samsung booth at IFA 2014 in Berlin, going hands-on with the Samsung Galaxy Tab Active. Now the latest generation tablet, this is being aimed at the enterprise audience. There's an 8-inch 1280 by 800 pixels display. The display surprisingly looks really good and you can't really see any jaggies despite the low resolution. Brightness levels and contrast ratio both are very good. But what we do have an issue with is the extra reflective nature of the front panel. It's probably not going to be all that great for use in the rugged and the enterprise environment that Samsung is aiming for. Up top there's a 1.2 megapixel camera and you have 3 hardware buttons at the bottom that correspond to multitasking, home screen, home key and the back button. Moving over to the side, you see there's the power button and the volume rocker right here. There's nothing on the left, but you do get 3 pogo pins. Now these pogo pins are aimed at charging in the environment, in the enterprise environment, and possibly Samsung will also have an accessory, a dock-like accessory for this. In addition to that, you also have the standard micro USB port and the 3.5mm audio jack. Nothing here up top. Moving to the back, you see that the rugged nature of the tablet continues here. The 3.1 megapixel autofocus capable camera over here at the back, alongside the single LED flash. Now the entire tablet is encased in a very solid and rugged mechanism. This is removable, of course. You can also change the battery. But overall this tablet feels really solid. The extra protrusions on the side should definitely help with protecting the tablet against accidental drops. Powering this is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 400 processor, which is paired with 1.5 GB of RAM and there's 16 GB of storage built in. You can, however, expand that via the microSD card slot. The tablet is running TouchWiz on top of Android 4.4, and we'll just see what is the exact version of that. As you can see, there's a hint of lag, but not quite enough to prove to be a hassle. So there you go, that was the Galaxy Tab Active. It's a rugged tablet, 8-inch tablet from Samsung, which we've just seen here at IFA 2014 in Berlin. If you enjoyed the video, please do hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.